Hello, today I'm going to show you if your microwave has a loud buzzing sound and there's no heat, try to replace your diode. And this is the diode right here. It goes from, see the little bolt, and it connects there, this black piece right here. That's the diode. So try to replace that first, and it should fix your problem. I did it and it worked. And this kind of microwave I have. And to take it apart, there were just bolts in the like screws in the back. You just remove them and the cover comes off. I mean, each microwave is different. And on this one, here's the magnet door, and there's your other part. So if this goes bad, you can change it to right here. It's like everything's right here accessible. It's not buried or nothing. So first try replacing your diode. And it was like $12 for me. So try that first.